Okay, as you can see right here, this is a trending market. Let me go back. This right here is a trending market. Everything within this rectangle is a trending market. Also, everything, as you can see, the Bollinger Bands cannot work here because as it hits the upper band, it doesn't go back to the lower band. It keeps touching the upper band. That is why the Bollinger Bands cannot work in the in a trending market. But look at this right here. This right here is a ranging market. All right, it just moves up and it moves down with no specific direction. All right, everything in this rectangle right here, let me get it done well. Everything in this rectangle right here is a ranging market. A ranging market is, they are usually very short. Let me zoom that in. Okay, so as you can see, this hits the upper band, all right, the upper band of the Bollinger Band, and went straight down to the lower band. And as you can see, it hit the lower band and went back to the upper band. And as you can see from here, it started going down. This is why I said, this is why I wrote that you should allow the price to bounce back up before placing your trade, because at this particular point, the price didn't go back up. Instead, it kept going down. So this is why you should allow the price to bounce back up, just like what happened here. The price bounced back up. So at this point is where you place your trade and wait for it to go right here. Okay.